Hey, this is BT with MotoGP BT review of the Austin GP. I am here live, broadcasting live. We're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna review every race to give them their due, and you tell me if it works for you. So that way, you know, if you see Moto3 and you like Moto3, then you listen to my review. Just got through with the race, spectacular race won by Jack Miller. Fanati was second, and it was third. Efren Vasquez was third, and Alex Marquez was in it until the very last turn, and he had a wreck. Luckily, he didn't lose his arm. It was an incredible race. I want you to look at the facilities first. So just to look around, see where you're at. It's a beautiful facility, and if you ever get a chance, please come look. Anyway, let's review the race. Moto3 race. It was a great race. I thought Jack Miller pitched a damn near a sellout, a shutout, if it was baseball terms. I thought he raced really well. I'm with my friend Vivian. Say hi, Vivian.
Hiya.
From Germany, she's in. Came to see the race. Probably came to see me, but she didn't want to say it. Anyway, I thought the race was good. Jack Miller damn near pitched a sellout, a shutout. Raced a really great race. Really nothing more to say. I thought Fanati did a great job of getting second. He was running as low as 9th, wasn't he? He was running as low as 9th and came back. I thought he did a great job. Great job to Fanati. Efren Vasquez was up in Miller the whole time, but you just felt that Jack Miller was going to win the whole race, didn't you? I mean,
yes,
honestly.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I mean, you just here, 2 shots. I just felt that Miller was going to win the whole race, and I just want to get close to you like that. Oh, damn. Anyway, so yeah, so I thought what'd you think of the race? Vivian, what'd you think of the race?
It was quite good at the end. I thought at the beginning it was a bit boring, but at the end it was quite good.
I thought watching Fanati make a comeback was great. At one time he was 2.2 seconds back. Like I said, he was as low as 9th, and he slowly climbed up to 6th. Then he got to 4th, and I said, I wonder if he's gonna catch him with his low 8 laps to go, and then he cut the gap, and then he made a podium. Well, I thought it was great. We thought Alex Marquez lost his arm. Didn't you think so too?
More like the leg.
Well, the bike fell on top of him, so I'm glad he's okay. He actually kicked the bike. They didn't show it in the video, but he kicked the bike. He was very upset. Yeah, he did. It was fun. He threw a tantrum, but he's teenagers. What teenagers do, throw a tantrum. So anyway, that's pretty much it for Moto3. Not too much to say. Great race by Miller. Another race, I think it's going to be great what Argentina represents, because no one has been there. So it's going to be awesome to see what happens there. But as far as it goes, great race, Jack Miller. Fanati, great race. I want to see him make a move to the championship and make a charge and see how Alex Marquez bounces back. So it's BT from Austin GP reviewing the Moto3 race. And we'll be back with Moto2, which should be a barn burner, or as they say in England, should be a cracker. And that's a bad word here in the United States. Well, not really. I mean, if you're black, you can say it. But anyway, so anyway, that's pretty much the race. And we'll be back with more. Oh, it's raining. Oh no, it's raining, folks. I'll be back. A monkey wrench has been thrown into the race. A monkey. It's raining. You see it live. Well, not live when you get it, but you see it live. A monkey wrench has been thrown into the Austin GP with raindrops. They're falling on my head, as BJ Thomas would say. So we'll see what happens. BT from MotoGP, Austin. See ya.